Hey there! In this video, we're learning how to draw bubbles step by step. It's super easy and fun, perfect for kids, beginners, or anyone looking to relax with a simple drawing activity. Grab your pencil and paper and follow along as we draw light, shiny, realistic-looking bubbles together in just a few easy steps. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new drawing tutorial. Let's get started. Draw the outline of a big circle. Draw two smaller circles next to the big one. Add little marks on each bubble. Add the details and complete the drawing. Color the drawing using blue and yellow coloring pencils.